Hello and welcome back. Finally, we are ready to write our first program in Python. We have finished all the installations, all the environments. Now we are ready to start coding. The first task is to write a Hello World program, and I will change its status to in progress, and I will go to Jupyter Lab. To open Jupyter Lab, I will open Anaconda prompt from my Windows machine, Anaconda prompt, and first I want to show you the environment list in my machine, conda env list. It will list the visual environments on this machine, as you see, and I want to activate this one, Python intro. So conda activate Python intro. Now this virtual environment is active, as you see. Now I will open Jupyter Lab. In my web browser, it will open a tab and open Jupyter Lab. As you see, it's ready now. I don't want to see this column, this last modified column. Right click and toggle it so it will close. Now I want to go into that folder number 3, first program, and here I will create an empty Python 3 notebook. Right click on the notebook name and rename it, and let's write first underscore program. Okay, we are in code editor now in IPython notebook, and the first cell I want it to be the title, the heading, so I will change its type. It's now code cell. I will select this one and change it as markdown, and I will write a title. This number symbols make this like HTML H tags, make this bigger. So if I write only one number symbol, first program, as you see, it writes it very big, which is enough for us. First program is going to be our title for this notebook. So, and second, I want to write the sentence here. Again, I change this cell to markdown, and I will write bold with 2 asterisks. What is a program? What is a program? As you see, it's bold now. A program is a procedure that tells the computer how to succeed a given task. Okay, a program is actually nothing but a procedure. It tells the computer how to do the specified task you want the computer to do. That's we call a program. Okay, now everything can be a program. It doesn't have to be an exe file or any specific format. Whenever you write and it works on the compiler on machine, we call it as a program. So write our first program as print. I will print. As you see, print is Python's keyword, and I write print and I open parentheses, which will call function. This is a Python function, built-in function. We will define our own functions later on, but this is how we call functions. We write the function name, which is print. We put the parentheses, and inside that we will enter an argument. This function needs an argument to work. Let me put in double quotes or single quotes. It's the same. I will tell this. Just do it double quote here. In double quote, I will print hello world. It's a tradition in every programming language. The first sentence you write is hello world, and I write in print parentheses in double quotes. I write hello world, and I run this cell, and it gives me the output. This is how we run the cell. We select the cell and click on this run button. I also showed you the shortcut, which is Shift Enter. If you click Shift Enter, it will run the program again. So let's print another sentence. Again in double quotes, again in print parentheses. I will write as this is second line of code. And let's say I accidentally change this into markdown. Look, as you run this, nothing will happen, because this is not a Python code. This is an plain text cell like this one. It's markdown cell. So if you want this to be code, you have to change this type to code. Now, as you see, JupyterLab changed its color also. And if you run this, this is second line of code as we expected. So just let me show you another shortcut. We already show Shift Enter, and let's say after running this, I want, and let's say here I have a cell 5 plus 2, and I run this and it's 7, as you see. Let's say I want to run this code and I want to put an empty cell here. To do that, I select this and click on Alt Enter, this one. Alt Enter will run this course and run this cell and put an empty cell here. And now I will print here, let's say a number. I don't need to put codes around numbers. We will see types, and I will run this with Alt Enter again. As you see, it printed that number for me. Okay, that's enough for this video. We saw the JupyterLab environment a little bit more, and now we can write code and we can run code. In the next video, we will start to do arithmetic operations. This was just to show you, the print statement and as a general the Jupyter environment. See you in arithmetic operations.